Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about the great leaders like Lokmanya Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel and so many others who fought for the freedom of our India and from whom we got freedom from British. So now we are going to learn about such great leader Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leader of the world. Other leaders win war by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arm and weapons like guns, rifles or bomb. And yet he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji, father of the nation. So what people called him? Bapu or Bapuji means father of the nation. Gandhiji was man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. So Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Iron will means what he decided, he will do it. Instead of giving up, he used to do it on time. So he was a man of iron will, and if he decided to do anything, however difficult it was, he did it. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Means he decided that he will do the prayer early morning. Early morning means at the dawn when the sun rises. And from that day onwards, he used to pray daily. So from that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence, that is not hurting others. So what Gandhiji gave importance to? Truth, that means true thing which is right, and simplicity and non-violence. Non-violence means without fighting, not fighting with others, that is not hurting others. So Gandhiji believed that instead of fighting, it is better we can sit and discuss the things and sort out the problems without fighting with others. So what he believed that truth means the right thing, simplicity means simpleness, and non-violence means without hurting or fighting with others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple, just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knee and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Usually men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. On making inquiries, Gandhiji found that people in that part of the country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. Therefore, they kept away from public functions. So, when Gandhiji inquired that why the women folk means ladies were not there in the meeting, he came to know that they were not having decent things means proper clothes to wear. So, they were not allowed to attend such public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear this from that day he decided to wear bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. So Gandhiji was deeply pained, means he felt so bad that the women folks were not having proper clothes to wear. So from that day he decided that he will wear minimum of clothes, means only dhoti and shawl. So let it be if it is hot or cold, but he never changed his dress, means he was wearing shawl on the top side of the body and a dhoti, that the dress he was wearing. So now you understood how our great leader Mahatma Gandhi was.